What's going on, guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and I just released a review on the OnePlus 9 Pro not too long ago. If you want to check it out, the links are down below and also up top. Now in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 things that I absolutely love about this phone after using it as my daily driver for 1 month. Now, as you guys know, on a personal note, I've been a huge fan of OnePlus phones, and I just decided to make a video to talk about the things that I absolutely love about this phone. So we're gonna start off with number 1, and that's display. The display looks excellent. It's 120 Hz up to Quad HD resolution, but I personally downscale it to Full HD so I can get an extra hour of screen on time. The screen has so many great little things going for it. So number 1, the colors. You know, they're bright, they're vivid, and since it's OLED, the black levels are rich and pure. When watching videos on YouTube or even Netflix, the colors really pop. And the way the image falls off the edges is a treat to use since the screen is curved. Now the screen also houses the fingerprint scanner, which is convenient to use. Getting into the phone is just very simple, it's fast, and it works every time. It's a big phone, but it's a skinnier phone, and also the way the screen is curved, it makes it easier to hold. This is one of the better displays out there. I hope next year it gets a little bit brighter, as using it outside could be just a little bit nicer, but all in all, very happy. Number 2, performance. It's no shock that performance will be on this list. It's using Snapdragon 888 processor, and that chip is so powerful and it shows. Gaming is fluid, and you know, the software on top of Android is light and it's super smooth. Even when I did my speed test, it was faster than the S21 Ultra, which was the fastest phone I tested before this phone. It's the smoothest phones I have ever used, period. Number 3, that's the notification switch. The notification switch on the side is a big deal for me. You know, being able to move your phone from ring to silent to vibrate just by clicking on a little switch on the side is really big. I hate going into stores and my phone is still on ring even though it should be on vibrate. Just having a quick way to just flick it over is nice. Number 4 is charging speeds. The OnePlus 9 Pro doesn't have the best battery life ever. It's okay, but it does have some of the fastest charging around. In the box, it comes with a 65 watt power brick, which gives you 0 to 100 in 29 minutes. Just plug in your phone before you leave the house for a few minutes, and then you have enough juice to last you all day. I don't even charge the phone overnight. I just plug it in the bathroom when I'm getting ready for the day, and bam, I'm at 100%. Also, using OnePlus's wireless charging is extremely impressive. You get half the charging speeds compared to wired, so in about an hour you get a full battery. I'm a big fan of wireless charging as I treat it as a passive charger, but this charge is pretty active as it gets warm and there's a built-in fan in the back of the charger. Now OnePlus has this charging thing down pat. It's not even close, and it seems like every year they just extend the lead. The last thing that I love is customizations. You can customize most things on this phone, and that is great. From a person who is old school and I came from ROMs, I used to download hacked versions of Android and put them on my phone just to get customizations. Having that built right into the phone is very nice. I mean, you can do things like change the icons, change the text, change the theme colors, and change the always on display too. You can even go into display settings and change the color, change the feel. I mean, there's so much stuff you could change in this phone. Maybe overwhelming for some people, but for someone like me who loves to fix and tinker, this is just a great phone to do that. There's also going to be tons of updates coming down the line because OnePlus pushes out tons of software updates based on customer opinion and customer feedback. We may see even more features and customizations coming down the line. Anyways, guys, just wanted to make a quick video giving you some thoughts on the OnePlus 9 Pro and 5 things that I really loved about the phone. If you want to hear everything I talked about, make sure you check out my full review, which is linked below and up top. And also be looking out for the 5 things that I don't like about this phone, because there are 5 things I don't like as well. My voice is running out. I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Have yourself a great day. Peace.